Hey everyone and welcome. You know Grok, right? The AI assistant from XAI that's witty, plugged into real-time events, and sometimes delightfully rebellious. It's fantastic for quick answers, fresh perspectives, and breaking the mold. But what if you need more? What if you've got a problem so complex it makes your head spin, or a question that demands true, deep insight? Well, get ready. Today, we're diving into the next level, Grok-3 Big Brain Mode, where Grok sheds its usual playful banter, mostly, and taps into an even higher gear of intelligence, reasoning, and comprehensive understanding. This isn't just more answers, it's better answers with an unparalleled depth. Let's see what happens when Grok goes full big brain. One recap: Grok, your real-time witty AI. First, a quick reminder. Grok-3, as you know it in June 2025, is famous for its direct access to real-time information, often delivered with a unique, sometimes sarcastic personality. It's great for knowing what's happening right now and getting a no-nonsense take. It's your AI for rapid-fire insights. 2. What is Big Brain Mode? The power-up. So what does Big Brain Mode add? Imagine Grok taking all that real-time data and its vast knowledge base, and then applying a layer of supercharged analytical power and synthesis. Deeper reasoning. Picture Grok dissecting a complex problem, breaking it down into its core components, and offering multifaceted solutions. It's not just answering, it's thinking through the challenge with you. Comprehensive synthesis. Forget scattered facts. Grok in Big Brain Mode can pull together disparate pieces of information from across the web, internalize them, and present you with a coherent, highly detailed, and deeply insightful summary or analysis. It connects the dots you didn't even know existed. Nuanced understanding. It's about grappling with subtle complexities. Whether it's understanding the geopolitical implications of a new policy, the intricate details of a scientific breakthrough, or the various philosophical angles of a debate, Big Brain Mode dives deep into the nuances. Controlled tone when needed. While Grok's wit is always lurking, in Big Brain Mode, it can adopt a more serious, analytical and scholarly tone when the subject matter demands it, ensuring clarity and gravitas. 3. When to engage Big Brain Mode, your go-to for the tough stuff. When would you switch to this advanced mode? Complex research projects. Imagine needing a comprehensive overview of a niche scientific field, synthesizing findings from dozens of papers in minutes. Strategic business planning. Picture asking Grok to analyze market trends, competitor strategies, and potential future disruptions. Then synthesize a strategic roadmap. Problem-solving and debugging. Advanced. Whether it's intricate code issues or complex logical puzzles, Big Brain Mode can help dissect and suggest solutions. Deep dive into current events. You want more than just the headlines. You want the historical context, the potential consequences, and the expert opinions all synthesized into one cohesive understanding. Creative and conceptual development. Brainstorming a novel, developing a complex argument, or exploring philosophical concepts. Big Brain Mode provides depth and interconnected ideas. It's your expert consultant, available on demand, for when the simple answer just won't cut it. 4. The power and the persona. Still Grok, just smarter. Even in Big Brain Mode, you'll still recognize Grok's underlying identity. It's not suddenly a dry academic bot. It's Grok, just with its metaphorical glasses on, furrowing its brows and delving into the deepest recesses of its vast knowledge. The occasional witty comment might still slip through, but the focus is clearly on delivering maximum intellectual power. 5. Who benefits? Everyone who thinks big. From students tackling dissertations to professionals seeking strategic insights, from curious minds wanting to understand the world's complexities to innovators looking for fresh connections. Grok-3's Big Brain Mode is designed for anyone who thinks big and demands more from their AI. Conclusion: Grok-3 Big Brain Mode isn't just an upgrade. It's a paradigm shift in how you can leverage AI for profound understanding and complex problem-solving. It takes Grok's real-time power and infuses it with unparalleled analytical depth, making it your ultimate intellectual companion. Get ready to ask the big questions, because Grok in Big Brain Mode is ready to deliver the big answers. Outro. What's the first complex question you'd throw at Grok-3 in Big Brain Mode? Or what intricate problem would you challenge it to solve? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into the incredible world of AI. Thanks for watching.